Welcome, students of class 4. Welcome to our online class. Hope you all are doing good. As we completed our syllabus, so now we are revising every chapter. Already we revised 1 or 2 times. Still, we are doing this only to make your lessons easier. Okay? In the last class, I discussed the story Neha's Alarm Clock in detail. Today, we will discuss the poem Noses in a better way so that it becomes very easy to you and you can understand every line and the meaning of the poem, the summary of the poem. So let's discuss. Today we are going to discuss the poem Noses. I think you already read it. The poem is a funny poem. You can say funny poem. In the book we see a little girl's picture is there. She is looking in the mirror, and whenever she looks in the mirror, she finds her reflection, and her reflection, she finds the reflection, and each time her nose becomes the most important thing to us. Why? Because she finds it funny. The little girl each time laughs at her nose. She finds it very funny. Why? Though she knows that our nose is an important organ in our body. We all know that. Why? Because nose is important to us to breathe, isn't it? But here the little girl, or we can say the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it grows straight with 2 holes. Our nose grows straight with how many holes? 2 holes in it, isn't it? We have 2 holes. It is important for us as it helps us in breathing. The girl also know that, but she always finds her nose funny whenever she sees nose in the mirror, because her nose is stuck on her face like a handle. And it is so weird, isn't it? Our nose is always here, isn't it? On our face. But the girl finds it is stuck on our face like a handle. That is the problem with the girl. Okay. So she is a little girl. From the picture we know that she is a little girl. That's why she thinks in this way. Okay. So this is the poem Noses. Let's discuss the question answers also. The first one, why does the poet feel that nose is a funny thing? Why does the poet feel that nose is a funny thing? The poet feels that nose is a funny thing because it sticks on the face like a handle. Because it sticks on the face like a handle and it has 2 holes. Next, why is nose important for us? Nose is important for us. Why is nose important for us? The nose is important for us because the 2 holes helps us to breathe. Okay. Now, does the child in the poem like her nose? You can write, yes, the child likes her nose very much. Okay. And she takes it very funny, which sticks out on her face like a handle. You can write this. Or if you think, no, the little girl does not like her nose, you can write that. No, the little girl does not like her nose, but you have to give your point. You can write that the little girl does not like her nose because she thinks the nose sticks on her face like a handle and it looks funny. You can write that. Clear? If you can write, yes, the girl likes her nose, and you will give the point that she likes her nose because she knows that nose helps us to breathe, though she finds it the funniest thing. That is also correct answer. And if you like to write that the little girl does not like her nose, that is also okay. Then you will give the point that she finds it funny because she thinks the nose sticks on her face like a handle. Clear? Both the answers are correct. I think the chapter is more easier to you, students. Okay. Learn all the question answers, all the spellings. Okay. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.